Hello everyone, and welcome to Evision CCNA Routing and Switching course series. My name is Vibhushit Deb, and I am delighted to come to you with a unique blend of practical network engineering experience and a passion for teaching and empowering others in the field of IT networking. With over 7+ years of hands-on experience as a network engineer, I have had the privilege of working on complex network architectures, troubleshooting large-scale infrastructures, and designing secure, scalable networks that support critical business operations. In my previous roles as a network engineer, I was responsible for configuring and managing routers, switches, firewalls, and VPNs, as well as ensuring the availability, performance, and security of enterprise networks. I have worked with a range of technologies, including TCP/IP, OSPF, BGP, VLANs, wireless networks, and network security protocols. I have also had experience with cloud networking and SD-WAN solutions, which have become increasingly important in modern networking environments. Now, as a dedicated IT networking trainer, my mission is to take the knowledge and insights I have gained over the years and help you understand and master the foundational and advanced concepts of networking. I believe that learning in the field of IT is not just about understanding theory, it's about gaining the practical, hands-on skills needed to solve real-world challenges. My training approach blends my past engineering experience with practical exercises, real-world examples, and interactive discussions to ensure you can immediately apply what you learned. So, if you are looking to elevate your networking skills or embark on your journey towards CCNA certification, you are in the right place. In this comprehensive CCNA routing and switching training series, we will explore the fundamental concepts of networking, dive deep into essential protocols, and equip you with hands-on skills that will make you job ready. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your knowledge, our step-by-step approach will guide you through key topics from understanding networks and IP addressing to configuring routers and switches. We will break down complex concepts into digestible segments with practical labs to reinforce your learning. So, what is CCNA? CCNA, or Cisco Certified Network Associate, is a popular certification offered by Cisco Systems. It is designed to validate an individual's skills and knowledge in networking fundamentals, particularly in the installation, configuration, and troubleshooting of network systems. It was one of the specialized certifications under the broader CCNA umbrella, focusing specifically on routing and switching technologies, which are essential for designing, configuring, and troubleshooting wired networks. So let's take a moment to discuss the importance of obtaining the CCNA R&S certification. Obtaining the CCNA routing and switching certification offers significant benefits for individuals pursuing a career in networking and IT. While Cisco has since consolidated its CCNA specializations, the core knowledge from CCNA routing and switching remains highly relevant. And here is why obtaining the CCNA R&S certification is important. Number one, industry recognized certification. CCNA routing and switching is a globally recognized certification that validated an individual's ability to work with network infrastructure, especially in routing and switching. Having this certification on your resume demonstrates that you possess a foundational level of networking expertise, which is valued by employers. Number two, strong foundation in networking. Routing and switching are the building blocks of most networks. Mastering these concepts prepares individuals to design, configure, manage, and troubleshoot enterprise networks. CCNA routing and switching equips you with essential skills such as configuring routers and switches, understanding routing protocols, for example, OSPF, EIGRP, managing IP addresses and subnetting, implementing security measures like access control lists. This knowledge is essential not only for Cisco equipment, but for networking in general, making it a foundational asset for IT professionals. Number three, job opportunities and career growth. Many networking roles require or prefer candidates to hold a CCNA certification. By obtaining CCNA R&S, individuals can pursue roles like network engineer, network administrator, IT support specialist, systems engineer. These roles are critical in industries such as healthcare, finance, telecommunications, and more. CCNA R&S serves as a strong entry point into these fields. Number four, hands-on knowledge. The CCNA R&S certification is known for being practical. It not only covers theoretical networking concepts, but also provides hands-on experience through labs and simulations. Learning to configure Cisco devices like routers and switches is a highly marketable skill, enabling you to manage real-world network infrastructure efficiently. Number five, pathway to advanced certifications. CCNA R&S opened doors to advanced Cisco certifications such as CCNP or Cisco Certified Network Professional and CCIE or Cisco Certified Internetwork Expert. These higher level certifications are highly respected in the industry and lead to even more specialized and well-paid roles in network design, architecture, and implementation. Number six, preparation for future technologies. Though the original CCNA R&S focused on traditional network setups, the concepts learned form a strong basis for adapting to newer networking trends such as SDN or software-defined networking, network automation, and cloud networking. Understanding the underlying principles of routing and switching enables professionals to easily transition to these emerging technologies. Number seven, improved troubleshooting skill. The knowledge acquired through CCNA R&S improves your ability to troubleshoot complex networking issues. Being able to diagnose problems related to routing loops, IP addressing errors, or VLAN configurations can save organizations time and money, making you an invaluable asset to your team. Number eight, increased earning potential. Certified professionals often earn more than their non-certified counterparts. According to industry reports, having a certification like CCNA R&S can lead to salary increases and opportunities for promotions. Networking professionals with Cisco certifications are in high demand, and the CCNA can provide a competitive edge in the job market. Number nine, vendor-specific expertise. Cisco is a leader in networking equipment, and its devices are widely used in enterprise environments. Being CCNA R&S certified demonstrates specific expertise in configuring and managing Cisco devices, which are often the backbone of network infrastructures in large companies. Number 10, confidence and credibility. Achieving CCNA R&S certification gives you the confidence to handle networking tasks and complex troubleshooting independently. It also adds to your professional credibility, showing that you have met the rigorous standards set by Cisco, one of the most respected names in the networking industry. So in this course, we are going to break down the key concepts of networking, including theory, configuration, and hands-on practice. Let's walk through how each day is structured. Each day is split into two main parts, the lecture video and the lab video. In the lecture video, I will walk you through the theory and the networking concepts you need to understand. You will learn the ins and outs of how networks function, how different devices communicate, and most importantly, how to configure Cisco network devices. The second part of each day is the lab video. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a lab? What does labbing mean? Well, labbing is all about hands-on practice. When you are studying for your CCNA, it's not just about reading the theory. You need to get your hands dirty with actual network configurations. For this course, labbing means configuring Cisco network devices like routers and switches. And trust me, this hands-on experience is crucial for your success. In the lab video, I will guide you step by step through the process of configuring the technologies we have covered in the lecture. We will be working in a simulated network using an amazing app called Packet Tracer. So the best part is Packet Tracer is completely free. You can download it directly from Cisco and use it on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer to perform all your networking labs. It's a fantastic tool to practice what you have learned without any expensive equipment. And remember, hands-on practice is essential while studying for the CCNA, which is why labs make up almost half of this course. You will not only understand the theory behind networking, but also become comfortable with the practical side of configuring Cisco devices. To reinforce your learning, you will find quizzes after each section. These quizzes are designed to test your understanding and help you retain key concepts. After each major topic, we will wrap things up with a review session. This will reinforce your learning and ensure that you are fully prepared to move on to the next section. Throughout this course, troubleshooting will be a key focus. Knowing how to diagnose issues is essential. We will introduce you to important iOS troubleshooting commands that will help you find network-related issues and solving them effectively. So no need to feel overwhelmed if some of this seems a bit complicated right now. I'm going to break everything down step by step in this course series, making the learning process both enjoyable and easy to follow. By the time you finish this course, you will have the knowledge and confidence to design and set up a network, whether it is for a small business or a large enterprise. What you will gain from this course is not just theory, it's practical skills you can put to use in real-world situations. So keep pushing yourself to learn, practice, and grow your expertise. Networking is a dynamic field that is always advancing. So stay inquisitive and committed to expanding your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy networking.